And before I forget, the 6 waters I brought home from FOODTOWN today, I paid 34 cents out of pocket. So I paid the tax on them. That's all I paid for 8 packages of Nestle Splash water, 34 cents. Okay, hi guys, this is Simply Tamanisha, and I just thought I would show you how my summer water stockpile has consumed the foyer of my house, because we just came in with 6 cases of Nestle Splash water that's on sale. Now these I got free at Kroger, and they're 6 packs. I got them free because they were 10 for 10. And I had a $1 off coupon from coupons.com. And then today I went to FOODTOWN. They have a bonus pack of 2. So you're getting 8 for 99 cents, and you paired with that $1 off coupon from coupons.com, and they were free. So I ended up buying 6 of those. I had to do 2 transactions. Plus there's a $1 off in the FOODTOWN app that you can use. And then if you remember, I did these were on sale $1.55, and I paid 80 cents for each of those 12 packs of water. So it's kind of taken over. So I've got to figure out a way to mesh all of this into my garage water stockpile, and friends, it's not gonna be easy.